Living in a camper means dealing with sand, mud, and crumbs constantly in a tiny space. I got tired of sweeping every single day, so I bought 5 of the best small vacuums on the market to test them out. I wanted to see which ones actually have the power to handle RV life without taking up all your precious storage space. Here is what I found. Product number 1, Eureka Rapid Clean Pro. When I first grabbed the Eureka, it felt sturdy but light enough to lift easily with one hand. It's a stick vacuum, but at roughly 5 pounds, it doesn't feel heavy or unwieldy in a tight hallway. The feature I actually used the most was the LED headlights. In a camper, it gets dark under the dinette table and bunk beds, and those lights showed me exactly where the dust bunnies were hiding. I ran it on the standard setting and got plenty of runtime to do my whole floor plan twice over. It lays flat, so I could reach way back under the driver's seat without struggling. The suction is strong enough for area rugs, not just the hard linoleum floors. If you have a tall closet in your rig and want a real vacuum feel, this is the winner. But if you literally have zero floor space for a stick vacuum, you might need something handheld. Product number 2, Portable Mini Handheld. This little handheld unit is barely bigger than a water bottle. Holding it, it weighs almost nothing, just 1.2 pounds. It fits right into my cutlery drawer, which is a massive win for storage when you are living small. The biggest benefit for me was the USB-C charging port. I plugged it right into the dash while driving, so it was always topped off and ready to go. Despite being tiny, the brushless motor is surprisingly punchy. On max mode, it sucked up coffee grounds from my dinette cushions instantly. It's also pretty quiet, so I didn't feel like I was waking up the whole campground when I used it. It's not for deep cleaning the whole floor, but for quick spot cleaning on upholstery, it's perfect. If you need something compact but want a brand name known for heavy-duty suction, this next one is a classic option. Product number 3, Shark Ultra Cyclone Pro. The Shark Ultra Cyclone Pro feels built to last. It's got a solid rubberized grip and weighs about 2 pounds, so it feels substantial without being tiring. My favorite part was the clean touch dirt ejector. I didn't have to touch the nastiness when emptying it. I just clicked a button over the trash can, which is great when you're dealing with gross campsite debris. I tested it on my entryway mat where dried mud usually gets stuck, and the scrubbing brush attachment broke it loose so the suction could grab it. The dust cup is extra large, so I wasn't running to the bin every 30 seconds. It handles bigger debris like dry leaves without clogging up. This is great if you want a dedicated handheld that acts like a big vacuum. However, you still have to remember to charge it. If you want endless power without worrying about batteries. Product number 4, Bissell Featherweight. The Bissell Featherweight is super simple. It feels a bit plastic heavy, but that makes it incredibly light to push around. It's a 3-in-1, so I used it as a stick vac for the main walkway, then popped the handle off to vacuum the curtains and upholstery. Since it plugs into a standard wall outlet, I never had to worry about the battery dying halfway through cleaning. The 15-foot cord reached from my galley plug to the bedroom area easily. It struggled a tiny bit on thick carpet, but on the hard floors it was flawless. It's also really compact when you break it down, fitting easily under a bench seat. If you mostly stay at campsites with shore power and want to save money, this is the one. But if you are boondocking off-grid and don't have an inverter for wall plugs. Product number 5, THISWORX Car Vacuum. Finally, I tested the THISWORX Car Vacuum. This one is different because it plugs directly into your dashboard's 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet. It comes with a neat carry bag that keeps all the attachments organized so you don't lose them in a storage bay. Holding it, it feels like a proper automotive tool. I loved the 16-foot cord. It was long enough to reach from the cab all the way to the back of the van. Since it runs off the vehicle battery, the suction stays consistent. It's perfect for getting sand out of floor mats after a beach day. It's not really meant for cleaning a whole RV floor, but for the cab area or quick spills, it's a lifesaver. This is the best choice if you don't have standard wall outlets available and rely on 12-volt power. Whether you need a full stick vacuum for the whole rig or just a tiny handheld for crumbs, one of these will keep your home on wheels looking fresh. I've left links to all of them in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.